Hi everyone, again it's me your math teacher Jel. For today's video, I will show you other properties of logarithms. For any base b, the logarithm of 1 to the base b is equal to 0. Okay? So katulad sa law of exponent natin, any number raised to 0 power is always 1. So kapag meron tayong ganito guys, the answer is 1. Right? Kasi b raised to 0, the answer is 1. Okay. So, if you have the logarithm of b to the base b, ang answer naman dito ay 1. So, b raised to 1, the answer is itself, right? And if you have the logarithm of b raised to x to the base b, ang answer naman dito ay yung x natin, where b is greater than 0 and b should not be equal to 1. So, kung ano yung value ng x natin dito or any variable, so that will be your final answer. Okay? So, mamaya ipiprove natin yan. And then, another property, b raised to logarithm of x to the base b is equal to x. So, whatever the number here, okay, that will be your final answer. Okay. So, the logarithm of 1 to the base 5. So, the answer is equal to 0. Very good. Kasi, any number raised to 0 power is always 1. Okay, 5 raised to 0, the answer is 1. Next. So, same lang siya, guys. So, this becomes 0. So, 8 raised to 0 power is always 1. Okay, next. So, what if we have the logarithm of 3 to the base 3? So, eto yan, guys, yung second property natin dito. So, the answer is 1. Okay? So, 3 raised to 1, the answer is 3. Right? Okay. Next, the logarithm of 4 to the base 4. Of course, the answer is 1 pa rin. Okay. So, what if, guys, we have the logarithm of 5 cubed to the base 5? So, eto yun, guys. Following this property, so eto yung magiging sagot natin. So, here, the answer is 3, right? Okay. Paano kaya naging 3 yan? How do we prove? Okay. So, i-represent natin yan, guys. Gamit ako ng ibang kulay ng pen. So, eto, the logarithm of 5 cubed to the base 5 equals x. So, 5 raised to x equals 5 cubed. Right? Okay. Cancel out natin yung mga bases natin. X na is equal to 3. Okay. So, ganun lang kasimple. Okay? Next. So, we have rule or property. So, ang sagot dyan ay yung exponent na to, which is 5. So, without solving, yan yung magiging sagot natin. What about if we have 2 raised to logarithm of 16 to the base 2? So, guys, ito yun, yung last property natin. So, ang magiging sagot natin dito, guys, ay yung x here, which is 16. Okay. So, this becomes 16. Okay. And now, how do we prove that the answer is correct? Sige, let's show. So, 2 raised to logarithm of 16 to the base 2. Okay. So, pwede yan, no? I-simplify natin to, guys. So, log 16 to the base 2 equals x, right? So, 2 raised to x equals 16. Express 16 in exponential form kasi dapat magkapala sila ng bases. So, 2 raised to x equals 2 raised to 4. Tama? Kasi 2 raised to 4 ay is equal to 16. So, x now is equal to 4. Okay. So, eto guys, kapag sinimplify natin to, ang sagot dyan ay 4. And we have the base na 2 rito. So, 2 raised to, dito na lang, 2 raised to 4. Ito yan, guys. What is 2 raised to 4? So, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So, 4 times yan, right? 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8 times 2, 16. Okay? Nakuha ba, guys? Okay. Next, we have 4 raised to logarithm of 8 to the base 4. So, pinaprove natin dito guys na ito kasi yon. So, b raised to logarithm of x to the base b. Ang magiging sagot dito guys ay ito yung x. So, dito ang sagot ay 8. So, i-prove natin na 8 talaga yung magiging sagot. Okay. So, same procedure tayo ng ginawa. I-simplify natin tong exponent natin. So, the logarithm of 8 to the base 4 represent natin as x, yung unknown. So, 4 raised to x. Nasundan ba ako guys? Equals 8. Okay? Next. So, yung 4 and 8, i-express natin in exponential form. Okay, so 2 raised to 2x, kasi we have the variable x, do not omit, equals, yung 8, express natin in exponential form, which is 2 cube, right? Okay, so 2x now is equal to 3. So, cancel natin yung mga bases natin kasi magka-pairs na sila. And then, divide all terms by 2, right? So, inequate natin yung exponent. So, here, your x is what? 3 over 2. Okay. And then, we have 4 here na base, right? Okay. So, dito ko isulat. So, 4 raised to 3 over 2. Kasi guys, pag sinimplify natin to, ang sagot dyan ay magiging 3 halves. So, 4 raised to 3 over 2. And how do we simplify this? So, this becomes, kapag ang denominator ay ito yan, so square root to. Okay? So, square root of 4 and then cube, right? Tama? What is 4 cube? That is 4 times 4, 16 times 4, 64. What is the square root of 64? Which is 8, right? Nakuha? Or, pwede rin ganito guys. 4 raised to 3 over 2 equals, so square root natin to guys. Yan. Raised to 3. Okay. Square root ng 4. The answer is 2, right? Raised to the third power. Okay. So, what is 2 cube? The answer is 8. So, same lang sila guys. Okay? So, na-prove na natin na 8 yung sagot. So, whatever the number here, that will be your final answer without solving or computing. Okay? So, kung meron kayong natutunan sa video ito, kindly like and share. Again, this is Sir Jello, your math teacher. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.